Greetings, welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're currently doing a series on parables, and today I'm going to be reading from Luke 13 verses 6 to 9. I want parable about the tree when now bear nothing. My name is KAREN ROACH. For more information about me, please check the description box below. I beg you know. Click the like button, man. Comment. Share with your friends and family them. And most importantly, click the subscribe button so that you no miss any of the reading them every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaican time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read from Luke 13, 6 to 9. Then Jesus tell them that Toria, one man did have one prangana tree plant in a him garden, and him Goffe see a fruit upon it, but he not find none. So him said to him gardener, say, for 3 year now me a come look for pranganat panda tree ya, and no find none. Chop it down. What make it fit a waste good dot? Sir, the man say, left it for 1 more year, and me will dig round it and put manure there. It might have beer next year. If it not beer, then you can chop it down. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.